Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2003 Chrysler PT Cruiser. We are installing a starter. So this is how Kevin does stuff, but you can do it how you see fit. So starter's located in front of the fan assembly on the front of this motor, 2.4 motor, non-turbo. What I did is I took the air filter housing out, took the battery tray and battery hold down bracket. Battery hold down bracket's held by 315s. They are kind of fun to get to if you don't have any extensions or swivel sockets in order to get to. Now, if you want to do just the starter without taking all this stuff out, you probably can. You're just gonna have to reach your hand down here, get to this 15mm bolt, and then the other one is on the bottom half going in the opposite direction. So what I did is I had a series of swivel 15 and long extensions to get way down underneath. Reach your hand up there, put your hand on the bolt, put the extension and socket on the bolt, and then wrench it up underneath, because there's no room inside there to get any kind of wrench or any kind of device that will give you a good turning torque to break it loose. But I have a ratchet and used just normal manpower to get it loose, and then the ratchet to zip it out. 13mm nut on power cable, and then just a little quick disconnect for the actual solenoid. All the wires move out of the way, so it's not that big of a deal. Same thing, 15mm, 1, 2, 3, 4. I had a ratchet with an extension and a swivel, and I could get to all 4 of them right here with no problem. It just makes it easier. Plus, taking it out, I can come out right through this way and pull the entire assembly out. I hate going under cars, going there as least as possible, but had to go underneath at least just for that 1 15mm that is going in the opposite direction of the one over here on the belt housing. See, and then battery tray is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 13mm. So pretty simple. This took me about 25 minutes to get to this point, and going back together now, so it'll probably take me about another 10-15 minutes to get everything all back in. But of course I have power tools, so that helps me out tremendously. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.